Welcome to Algebra Practice. Today we're going to practice how to use a quadratic formula. We have to use a quadratic formula when we cannot factor it. Let's write down our quadratic formula. It helps us to find what the value of x is. So x is negative b, add and subtract and square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. It looks really long, but guess what? It will be on your formula sheets when you take a test. And important, a is not 0. It's also important that b squared minus 4ac must be greater or equals 0. Now, let us solve this problem. We have 3x squared plus 5x equals 8. It's not already standard form. Therefore, we're going to minus 8 each side. Change it into standard form. After we change into standard form, we know a, we know b, we know c. A is 3, b is 5. C is negative 8. Then all we need to do is we're going to use our quadratic formula. We can erase and put it in. So negative b is negative 5. b squared, 5 squared, that's 25. Minus 4 times a times c. A is 3. C is negative 8. Over 2 times A. A is 3. Okay, if you want, go ahead and pause the video, see what you have under the square root. What do you have for your b squared minus 4ac? For this, I have 121. 121, after we get the square root, that is 11. Which means we have two situations. X is negative 5 plus 11 over 6. This gives us x is 1. We have another situation, and x is negative 5 minus 11 over 6. That gives us, we're going to simplify 8 over 3, it's negative. Now, you just learned how to solve a quadratic equation when you're not able to factor it. Go ahead and use quadratic formula. Happy learning!